Is your 2002-2006 Nissan Altima key fob not working reliably? A dead battery is the most common cause. Replacing it yourself is quick, easy, and saves money compared to dealership fees. This video will guide you through each step. Your Altima key fob requires a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This specific battery type is essential for proper function. The CR2032 is a standard 3-volt lithium battery with a coin cell design. It provides the exact voltage needed for the key fob's electronics. These batteries are widely available at drugstores, supermarkets, and online retailers for under $5. Here's what a CR2032 looks like in detail. This close-up shows the battery's markings and appearance. And this shows how it fits in the key fob. Always purchase a genuine CR2032 battery. Avoid cheaper alkaline alternatives as they can leak and damage the fob's circuitry. Using the correct battery ensures reliable key fob performance. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to gently separate the key fob halves without causing damage. The pry tool is preferable to avoid scratches on the plastic case. As an alternative, use a plastic pry tool which is gentler on the fob's surface and helps prevent cosmetic damage. You'll also need a new CR2032 lithium coin cell battery, which provides the 3 volts needed for the key fob to function properly. The CR2032 battery has specific dimensions, 20 millimeters in diameter and 3.2 millimeters thick, ensuring it fits correctly in the fob. Finally, work on a clean, flat surface to prevent any small screws or parts from rolling away and getting lost during the replacement process. Locate the key ring slot on the fob. Insert the flathead screwdriver into the slot and gently twist to separate the two halves of the fob. Be careful not to use excessive force. To reassemble the key fob, first align the two halves so the edges match perfectly. Make sure the internal components are properly seated. Then press the halves firmly together with even pressure until you hear or feel them snap securely into place. Finally, inspect the assembled fob to ensure there are no gaps, loose parts, or misalignments that could cause issues. Now test the key fob to ensure the replacement was successful. Stand near your Altima and press each button on the key fob. The lock button should make the doors lock with an audible beep. The unlock button should unlock the doors with a beep. The panic button activates the horn and lights for a short time. If the key fob doesn't work, double-check that the battery is inserted with the correct orientation, positive side up. Make sure you're using a fresh CR2032 battery. Also check for any corrosion on the battery contacts that might need cleaning. If the fob still doesn't work, check for corrosion on the battery contacts. Clean with a cotton swab and vinegar if needed. Remember to handle the fob gently to avoid damaging the internal circuitry. Consider testing the signal with a smartphone app, oscilloscope, for advanced diagnostics.